We use fried garlic often, but it's a hassle to peel and fry tiny amount every time. Today, I'm sharing how to make perfect golden brown garlic in oil. Easy use as spoonful for fried rice, stir fries, or topping for noodle soup in just 15 minutes. This garlic will not turn out crispy as it's stored in oil. For crispy garlic, check out my crispy garlic recipe link in the description box. For the ingredients, I have 300 grams of 4 large bulbs of garlic, 200 grams of cooking oil, and prepare one airtight glass jar or a bottle to store the garlic in oil as well. We are going to start by preparing the garlic. I'm sharing an easy and faster way to remove the garlic skin. Place the garlic in the mortar. Use a pestle to crush each of the garlic cloves to split them. Oops! The garlic needs to be on the other side to split nicely. Flip it and lightly pound it until the clove break off from the bulb. Try not to smash on the garlic clove too much. Just lightly crush it to break off the skin like this. Now, we can easily remove the garlic from its skin. See, the cloves are still intact and the skin comes off easily. So I'm going to continue with the rest of the garlic like this. Some of garlic skin still does not come off easily, no worries. We will lightly plow them again. Now it's easy to remove the skin. Some part of the garlic are going bad. That is okay. We will remove them later. Repeat the rest of the garlic bulb, lightly pounding the clove. Place the garlic with the root side facing up and lightly crush it. The clove should break easily. The skin comes off really well too. We can just pick the garlic up. Very easy. Alright, we are done peeling the garlic skin. Here are the garlic cloves that we have. Now we are going to clean the garlic. With a sharp knife, we will cut off the spoiled or bad garlic part. We will use the rest of the garlic. I'm also cutting off some of the tips that has some dry remnant of roots on it. Alright, the garlic is ready. I am going to rinse them. Before that, I'm going to heat up the oil first to save time. So, once the minced garlic is ready for frying, the oil will be ready and hot. Switch on the heat to medium-high. Set the time for 5 minutes. And pour in all of the cooking oil. Now we are going to mince the garlic. I'm using food processor to mince the garlic for convenience. Put in all the garlic, close the cover, and process for 5 seconds, as we only want the garlic to be small chunk, not tiny. See, this is how it should be. If using blender, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil to ease the blending process. Avoid water when blending to minimize oil splash later on. The blender may need more than 5 seconds to get the same size of the garlic like this, depending on the machine and the garlic. The food processor does not need cooking oil. Next, we are going to fry it. After putting the oil in the pan for 5 minutes, it is really hot. There are oil ripples all over the bottom of the pan. It is boiling. Carefully pour in the garlic. We will pour all garlic straight from the food processor. Please be careful as the steam from the hot oil will rush out and may burn your hand. Quickly stir it as garlic at the bottom of the pan might burn. I recommend to continue stirring until the garlic is cooked but not brown. The color will change from pale yellow to slightly yellow. This will take about 7 minutes, depending on the size of your garlic. Around the 4th minute, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the garlic flavor. This is optional as this is no impact otherwise. Keep stirring to ensure cooking throughout the pan. After 7 minutes, the garlic is turning golden yellow and has shrunk slightly. Switch off the heat and continue to stir for 30 seconds so that the residual heat doesn't burn the garlic at the bottom of the pan. Immediately transfer garlic and oil into another container or a bowl. We want to reduce the residual heat from the pan that will continue to heat the oil. Now the garlic will turn golden brown with the oil's residual heat. See, the oil is still hot and bubbling. Alright, the garlic and oil have already completely cooled down now. See, garlic has a very beautiful golden brown color. It is also not crispy because we left it in the oil. For crispy garlic, check out my crispy garlic recipe link in the description box. Now the garlic is cool. We can transfer it to the airtight container. This garlic and oil can last roughly 1 month at room temperature as long as it does not come to contact with water. It can last for up to 2 months if stored in the fridge. Cover the lid and we are done. If you have enjoyed it, please share it and subscribe for more of my kitchen tips. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!